Hello everyone, it's Dale here with weekly trading ideas for the week starting today, the 4th of November 2019. Now before I go into the trading ideas, let me announce the winners of the flexible volume profile for the MetaTrader 4. The winners are Mostafa Gharib and Khalid Barakat. Now I'm not really sure if I pronounce those names correctly, so I'm going to print those names on the screen. So right now you guys should see the names of the winners on the screen. So I would like to congratulate to the winners and also thanks everybody for participating in a contest. I'll do another contest for the next week. What you need to do to participate is just leave a comment below this video, which I'll upload on Facebook and on YouTube. So I'll pick two winners, one from the Facebook comments and one from the YouTube comments. And I'll announce the winners in the next trading ideas video. Alright, so let's now go into the charts. Let's go into the current trading ideas. And let's start with intraday trading ideas. The first one is on New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar. What you see before you is a weekly profile printed on a 60-minute chart, fixed profile printed on 30-minute chart, and daily profiles printed on 30-minute chart. So in here on the New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, you can see that there was a rotation, and from that rotation there was a strong buying activity. And this buying activity started in here. From this little rotation there was aggressive buying activity in here, and afterwards the buying activity continued. And in here where the buying activity started, there was this rotation where heavy volumes get accumulated. If you look at the weekly profile, you can see that there was actually the point of control of the whole previous week, which means that the heaviest volumes throughout the whole week got accumulated there, exactly at this level, which is at 0.8311. Now I'm not really sure if you can see that, so I'm going to zoom this chart a bit. Right there, point of control of the previous week. Alright, so this means that strong buyers were building up their buying positions there in this rotation. Also a lot of those volumes in this rotation, which you can see right there. And afterwards they started pushing the price upwards. So when there's a pullback, I think that those buyers will become active again, and they're likely to push the price upwards from this level again. Now the next trading idea is on the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. What caught my eye in here was this rotation, which got followed by this strong buying activity. So when I see something like that, I use the flexible volume profile over the rotation area, like this. And I'm interested in the heavy volumes. Right there, you can see that there are heavy volumes accumulated there. Heaviest volume peak was in here, exactly at 0.8979. And from this place the buying activity started. So this indicates that those volumes were volumes of strong buyers who were accumulating their buying positions there, and afterwards they pushed the price upwards. Now if you look at the weekly profile in here, you can see that there was also very nice volume cluster in here. It wasn't the point of control, but it was a very strong volume cluster, very nicely visible on the weekly profile. So this is the level, very nicely visible on the weekly profile. And when the price makes a pullback to this level again, I think that those buyers who were accumulating their buying positions there will start defending their buying positions, and they are likely to push the price upwards from this level again. Now there's also one thing which I wanted to show you in here. It's this significant volume cluster created in here, and this very nice reaction to it. This was the trend setup, by the way. Also, there were heavy volumes in here, heavy volume cluster in here, and a smaller reaction right there. Alright, but those levels are already tested, so I won't be trading them again. Those are spent. So the next heavy volume cluster is this one. Now the last intraday trading idea is on the Euro Canadian dollar. There is a very nice volume accumulation setup. It's in here. As you can see, there was a very nice rotation, and from that, very strong buying activity started, very aggressive buying activity. It's very easy to spot the place where the buying activity started, where the volumes were the heaviest. It was in here. Also very nicely visible on the weekly profile right there. The level is exactly 1.4542, and I think the buyers were building up their buying positions there and afterwards initiated this strong buying activity. When the price makes it back to this level again, I think that it's pretty likely that those buyers will start buying again and pushing the price upwards from this level. Now, what I would like to show you next is a swing trading idea. It's a long-term swing trading idea. It's on the Swiss franc Japanese yen. So let me switch to my swing trading workspace. So in here we have the Swiss franc Japanese yen. This is a weekly chart, so it's a very long-term chart. Those are weekly candles, and what caught my eye in here was this rotation, which got followed by this strong buying activity. So what I did is that I looked into this rotation area with a flexible volume profile, and it showed me that there were heavy volumes accumulated there, and the heaviest peak, the heaviest volume peak was right there at 104.70. And I think that buyers were building up their buying positions there, and afterwards they initiated this strong buying activity. Right now the price is slowly getting back to the level. Now this could take another week or a month or half a year. I don't know how long this will take, but this level stays. It's a very strong level, and it doesn't matter how long it takes for the price to make it to the level. But when it does, I think that those buyers will start buying again. And despite that this rotation took around 2 years ago, I think that those buyers will become aggressive and they'll try and push the price upwards from this level. Now, because this is a sort of long-term swing trade, you need to have your stop loss pretty wide, and I think that it should be at least in here below this swing point. You need to let the trade breathe, especially when there is trade like this, which is sort of long-term swing trade. Alright, so that's about it, guys. That's about the new weekly trading ideas video. I hope you liked it and I hope you found it useful. If you would like to join me and trade with me every day, if you would like to join my trading community, you are very welcome to do so. Just go to my site, which is trader-dale.com, and you go there, Dale's Forex course. Now in here you scroll down a bit, and right there you can get your lifetime membership in my trading course. What I recommend is getting this one, because you'll get the lifetime membership in a course, and also you'll get the volume profile for NinjaTrader 8. That's a professional trading tool which I developed. That's the volume profile which you saw today in today's video, and you'll get lifetime license to that as well as the membership in the Forex course. Alright, so that's about it, guys. It's about this video. I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time, and until then.